İŞBİR SENTETİK, the leading technical textile firm of the sister companies within İŞBİR Holding, was established in 1968 at Balıkesir and since then has always been a pioneer company in the sector with 50 years corporate structure. The company has the biggest production facility in Europe. $150,000 square meters of indoor area, 250,000 square meters of outdoor area, 45,000 tons of annual production capacity. Quality approved by 55 countries across 4 continents, experienced since 1968. Having strength from a perfect vertical integration, İŞBİR SENTETİK comfortably meets the demands of complicated and special type of products requested, as well as standard types for domestic and foreign markets. The process starts with the input of raw material, which is supplied from certified suppliers. At the very beginning, raw material that is going to be used in the production is subjected to MFI, moisture and ash tests at laboratories. Raw material, after being tested, is transferred to the dosing units automatically. PLC system installed on the line provides graphical and numerical processing and recording of all data. With the help of TDI, thickness of the film is automatically adjusted without intervention. Thanks to our system of tape production, we control the thickness continuously so we can manufacture according to ISO 9001:2015 quality system. Tape lines are equipped with the latest automatic bobbin systems. Produced yarns are tested in quality control laboratories to ensure compliance with standards. The batch number given to the bobbins enables that the product is traced at every stage from the input products to the final product. 30,000 tons of production is performed at tape lines annually. These tape yarns, wound into bobbins, are transferred to circular and webbing weaving sections. In the circular weaving, double-layer fabrics from 25 centimeters to 230 centimeters can be woven in 6 shuttle, 8 shuttle, and 10 shuttle weaving looms. The woven fabrics are transferred to the next stage without defect after passing through the quality control machine. In the webbing weaving section, which is another weaving part, we can produce 3 to 80 gram, 1 to 100 millimeter loop, tie string in weaving looms between 2 and 12 bands. 25,000 tons of production can be performed at circular and webbing weaving sections. The woven fabrics are transferred to the coating section in order to obtain sealing properties in need of customer demands. At coating section, with the help of high technological computer systems, fabrics which are 50 centimeters to 230 centimeters width can be coated from 15 microns to 80 microns thickness. Fabrics are corona treated prior to coating and controlled with non-contact thermal sensors to guarantee perfect adhesion. The transfer and traceability of all fabrics is controlled by information received from the RFID system and transferred to the ERP. All fabrics are packed without intervention and sent to the cutting and printing department. Stereotype that are used at printing section are also manufactured in İŞBİR SENTETİK. All design and production process of cutting and printing machines are carried out by R&D department. İŞBİR SENTETİK has the latest technology coax blown film production machines which can produce the following technical films with an annual production capacity of 10,000 tons. İŞBİR SENTETİK maintains the largest blown film production capacity in the industry and achieves an LDPE film production of 20 to 5,000 centimeters wide and 25 to 200 microns thickness. 0.01 micron dust filters used during the production process of blown film distinguishes İŞBİR from other producers' conductive, anti-static, permanent anti-static, pharma barrier LDPE films can be produced at that facility. Manufactured films are cut and welded by highly technological cutting machines, most of which are designed and produced by R&D department. All components are transferred to Bigbag sewing workshops. After completing the confectionery operation, big bags are passed from the quality control tables if requested by the customer, then passed from metal detectors and packed. İŞBİR SENTETİK pays great attention to human health and always keeps in mind that big bags are meant for food transport, even for infant formulas. Due to this reason, İŞBİR SENTETİK installed its own clean room production workshop where bags that are used in high-sensitive food industry and medical sector are produced. The whole production process is tested according to ISO 9001:2015 management system. Bags, after being tested, are sent to the warehouse. The definition of stock areas in the warehouse, barcode labels on each package provide inventory management in the room and facilitates product shipment. Along with quick and easy loading systems into trucks, big bags meet with end users all over the world. Full family of products starting from the yarns to final goods are realized in-house. İŞBİR SENTETİK has a manufacturing capacity of 10 million big bags per annum. Big bags used in numerous industries provide great convenience in storage and shipment. İŞBİR SENTETİK has an international sales network from England to the USA, from Germany to Israel. Having been in the sector for over 50 years, apart from its own sales offices in USA, England, Germany, and Israel, İŞBİR also has long-term business partners all over the world. The most important factor to establish is the trust that has been created between İŞBİR SENTETİK and its partners. These bonds of confidence have steadily grown and strengthened over the 50 years of history, complying with ISO 9001:2015 quality management systems at every stage of production. One of the steps towards globalization of İŞBİR SENTETİK is opening a new plant in India. It serves as an alternative production channel to customers. Aiming at increasing production in Turkey as well as in various locations in the world, İŞBİR is rapidly becoming the world's leading technical textile manufacturer. Bigbags offer great convenience in product storage and transport. Bigbags of 500 to 2,500 kilogram capacity are resistant to burst in case of sudden loading over 5 or 6 times of their capacity due to respective health, human and safety regulations. Bigbags are tested and certified by accredited laboratories of Turkak and BAM from Germany. UV protection, top lift, stacking, drop, tapple, tear, writing, conductivity, non-flammability tests are being held in quality control laboratories. Having been documented with certificates by international independent laboratories, Bigbags have a 1 to 6 safety factor and can tolerate suitable loads of 12 tons as well as sudden shocks. With quality-approved products, İŞBİR SENTETİK provides great contributions to the country's economy. 4-loop big bags made from panel fabric, 1, 2, or 4-loop big bags made from tubular fabric, UN certified big bags for dangerous goods, hygienic big bags for food packaging, form-stable baffle model big bags, anti-static big bags, conductive big bags, dust-proof big bags, form-stable and Gambo model big bags. All these products are manufactured under hygienic conditions from raw material selection to finished goods. The big bags produced by İŞBİR SENTETİK are used in many industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, chemistry, mining, construction, and agriculture. İŞBİR SENTETİK has all corporate environmental and social responsibility certifications at 1 as ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System, ISO 22000 HACCP Food Safety, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 27001 Information Security Management System, SEDEX and EcoDavis, BRC certificate for companies producing food packaging, kosher, halal certificates, and AEO, Authorized Economic Operator. İŞBİR SENTETİK's reliable, innovative, dynamic, and experienced structure makes the company Europe's top technical textile manufacturer. With this motivation and driving force, İŞBİR SENTETİK Weaving Company aims to be the world's #1 producer in the nearest future. We are ready to pack your world.